Weld quality issues lead to non-value added costs and labor. Identifying problems within the weld cell, such as missed or defective welds, rework, and training can help streamline processes in your manufacturing operation. Insight Centerpoint provides guidance, control, and containment within the weld cell, ensuring consistent weld quality. Reduce training by guiding welders through the weld sequence in real time, using visualizations of the part. Gain additional control with documentation and instructional aids through embedded videos, images, audio, and other file types. The cost of a missed weld or defect rises the further it gets away from the weld cell without being noticed. Insight Centerpoint alerts welders if a weld is missed or is outside of acceptable parameters, allowing it to be corrected early, which helps reduce costs. Rework adds cost and time to your welding operation, reducing your overall quality and efficiency. Insight Centerpoint provides early containment of defects and can control your weld operation by monitoring every parameter of every weld, ensuring quality welds. Drive quality improvements and reduce costs throughout your operation with Insight Centerpoint. Learn more at millerwelds.com.